ThinkPad line of laptops has been synonymous with business users, creative professionals, and as enterprise laptops. However, currently the entire ThinkPad line is offered in the larger 14-inch or 15.6-inch displays. As the name suggests, this is a 13-inch laptop, and with prices starting at Rs 52,000 makes it a rather affordable ThinkPad. The ThinkPad brand is generally known for its durability and robust design, and the ThinkPad 13 doesn't disappoint. The machine is made out of metal and plastic, with the lid and the keyboard deck made of metal and plastic base. All things considered, the laptop still has some flex in the display. The hinge that can do 180-degree wobbles quite easily. In terms of ports, on the left side there is Lenovo's OneLink Plus port for docking and other accessories, plus a USB 3.0 port. On the right side there are two USB 3.0 ports, one HDMI, one USB 3.0 Type-C, a headphone mic combo and an SD card slot. Our ThinkPad 13 test unit features a 1366 by 768p matte twisted pneumatic panel, which is not bad as far as general usage is concerned. But an asking price of Rs 60,000 plus, we expected at least a Full HD panel. However, resolution aside, this is not a very likable display. Color saturation is just average and the details don't show up well. We recorded maximum luminance of 236 lux, which is again subpar. Below the display is even so familiar ThinkPad keyboard, which is amongst the best you can have on a 13-inch laptop. The contoured keys offer 1.9mm key travel, which is very good. The touchpad is likable and very user-friendly. It is smooth, quite precise, and the two left and right clicks are well pronounced and tactile. Our review unit is powered by the 6th generation Intel Core i5-6200U processor, which is one of the most used processors in the Ultrabook category. The dual-core 15-watt processor does a good job at handling all kinds of daily tasks. The audio performance is decent and the two bottom-firing speakers are good enough as far as personal entertainment is concerned. The ThinkPad 13 does a good job as far as battery life is concerned. It manages about 6 to 8 hours of screen on time at 75% brightness and takes about 2 hours to charge completely. Overall, we think that the ThinkPad 13 is a very good Ultrabook for its price. The Intel Core i5 processor can do more than just simple multitasking, and the battery lasts a normal 8-hour workday quite easily. However, the 1366 by 768p display on the laptop is subpar, and we believe Lenovo could have done a much better job given its price and the fact that there are better displays on the competitors. The Asus ZenBook Flip is a better choice for the price, and slightly higher priced Lenovo IdeaPad 710S remains our top pick for Ultrabook buyers. Thank you for tuning into Digit, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel.